we have two types of trend change. Okay, I use two types of trend change. One is if you're trending down and then we break the short-term high. The other one is when you're trending down and price fails to make a lower low and then breaks above the short-term high. That's also a trend change, and that's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, we made a low high, failed to make a low, and we made a high. So that's a trend change. So with that said, I think price wants to continue going high. How high does it want to go? Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, the weekly is also showing signs of bullishness. Above this high, above this high is a good level. Okay, because can zoom in. So what happened here is price went down, we opened, and then went up to that level and rejected. So if price is going up, definitely it's going to go above this high. Once we get above that high, we will see what's going to happen. So that's the ultimate target for the up movement of the yen for now. Okay, because that will also form that will form round where the Fibonacci traders will be looking to take a trade. Yeah, that's 61.8 level. So we have lots of Fibonacci traders, so they will be coming in at this level. So above that high, good target for entry. This is what I have. So if we do retrace to this level, I'll consider the high, but I don't like taking the highs because the high can be fake or it can be a manipulated high, because all the highs are not the same. My broker might have a different high to maybe this is Rwanda. FXCM might have a different high. Currency.com might have a different high. That's why I like the open. So I would like to get the entry at the open. Okay, entry at the open, and that would be my target with a stop just below this, right? And I'll take something off at this level. Okay, this is a clean level that price can get there, and then there will be a reaction. So I'll be taking something off here. If we do get an entry down here with the move all the way up, that's why I'll be taking my first target, and I'll take something off there. Okay, yep. And then if we break above this, I don't see it as price rewarding these Fibonacci traders. Okay, they might get punished. Alright, they might get punished. Therefore, if we do break above it, you can see that's a bigger time frame trend change. Okay, we went down, retrace, went down. So this could look like a retracement based on this range. Okay, this could be a retracement to go down. However, looking at what the pound is doing, if the strength continues, then we can get this, and that will be another trend change, and we'll be looking for a continuation to the upside. Okay, so watch out for this level for a buy.